Hey everyone, good morning. This is Alifia Begum from University of East London. I have done a research and my research topic is impact of branding on consumer behavior in Amazon. With this research topic, I have made a poster. So today I am going to explain you about my poster. And the poster introduction is the study highlight the impact of branding on consumer behavior in Amazon. The company has made the shopping experience of the consumer easier. As we know, we can shop anytime 24 by 7 by using Amazon application and Amazon website. Thus it makes our experience very easier. Through this, the customer have eagerly directed towards the branding of Amazon shopping as it saves the time. As we know, we can shop anytime 24 by 7. So wherever we want, the product will be delivered to that place. So it saves the time. The company has initiated a proper facility of replacement, which has provided a positive influence on consumer behavior. Whenever we get a faulty product and the product which we don't like, we can refund or replace it. So thus initiated a proper facility of replacement and which gives a positive influence on consumer behavior. And the background study of the research is branding is significant for attracting customer. As we know, every brand attracts the customer because it requires creative ideas, skilled employees and transparency towards targeted customer segmentation as suggested by Spengenberg and Lorek. And also the advertisement, promotional marketing activities and digital marketing help in branding the company contemporary services and product. And also, as we know, it change how prices are set and how often they change. Now prices tend to be same everywhere, both online and in store. Hypothesis: branding has provided deeper impact on consumer behavior in Amazon. Branding has not provided a deeper impact on consumer behavior in Amazon. And objective and purpose. The main purpose of this research is to study and analyze the impact of branding on consumer behavior in Amazon. Everyone will do a research procedure. They will follow a procedure to do a research. So I have followed the procedure is research philosophy, that is positivism, research strategy, that is explanatory, research method, that is qualitative, research approach, that is inductive, data data collection, that is secondary. Now comes to a literature review. According to consumer behavior, it suggests a different understanding of the consumer behavior. It increased the capitalization of the market and helped the business in growing. Amazon has aimed in developing different aspects of business specification for providing developed services to the customer. And also, as we know, the shift in buyer behavior has evolved the strength of Amazon ability to convince the shopper they could trust the Amazon brand and purchase the product with confidence. Amazon changed when consumers shop by making shopping online convenient and competent. Competitive methodology. Secondary qualitative approach to data can help in gathering the necessary information regarding the study. Secondary sources such as website, news article and journal can help in gathering required secondary resources. Analysis and the analysis of this research is it has found Amazon has initiated the process of branding with skilled employees, improved distribution channel, initiated discounts and offer which help them in attracting the customers. And also, as we know, now the Christmas season is going on. Amazon has provided a number of discounts and offered that attracting the more customer towards the Amazon brand. And the model. According to the cultural branding model, a company need to analyze the cultural preference of the customer in order to provide the preferable product. Here, the company has provided the branding of necessary product according to the choice of people and the necessity. It has provided a significant impact on consumer behavior. As we know, everyone will follow the culture. Amazon is present all over the world. So whenever in which country they are, they prefer the cultural. See, as you know, in India, India, they'll prefer the cultural preference. All type of Indian product you can find in Amazon website. While in UK, they will also prefer a cultural preference. So that is the reason what all the required of United Kingdom you can find in the UK Amazon website. Thus, the result is it has found that with the provision of cultural preference and selection of higher range of product for all income groups and for all age group, Amazon has successfully developed in branding, and it has influenced consumer to buy the product and service. As we can see, all age group products we can find in Amazon. That is the reason it has influenced the consumer to buy the product and services. Now, the conclusion. The conclusion of this research is Amazon has made the shopping experience of the consumer easier. Whenever you want, wherever you want, 24 by 7, all over the world you can shop in Amazon. If you are going to United Kingdom, you can find a UK Amazon website, UK application of Amazon, and you can purchase. And if you are going to other countries as well, and if you can download in their Amazon, you can purchase from them. That is the reason it makes very easier. Through this, customers have eagerly directed towards the branding of Amazon shopping as it saves their time. As we know, Amazon will give a home delivery and it saves the customer time. The study has conducted with gathering of early and primary nature of evidence and resources. It has found Amazon has initiated the process of branding with skilled employees, improved distribution channel, initiated discounts and offer, advertisement, promotional marketing activities, and digital marketing have helped in branding the company contemporary services and products. As we know, Amazon has make it easier and faster to buy things. It changed how and where people work and equally important, and it changed how prices are set and how often they change. Now the recommendation. Recommendation of this is digital marketing is necessary for developing the branding of the company. Nowadays everything goes on digital, so digital marketing is very important for Amazon as well as to increase the branding of the company. And additionally, innovation strategy decisions and improve security for online transaction can help the company in developing the branding in a significant way. Frauds are going on all over the world, so the online transaction should be safe and secure. Whenever the customer will place their data on in the Amazon website, it should be safe and secure, and it should not share with anyone. If they are following very strict security for online transaction and all, they can develop more its branding and in a significant way. However, a security of payment process is highly required in order to provide the consumer a hazard-free pay service. As we know, wherever we pay, we need a high security. If Amazon can increase the highly security service for the payment, it can also increase its branding in a significant way. Thus, that's it about my research topic. That's a recommendation for the Amazon is it should give a security of payment process highly required and highly security in order to provide a consumer a hazard pay service, and thus can increase the branding of Amazon. And this is my research topic. Hope you all like. Thank you.